Okay, so that is about the last one there, at least for now. I can always add more later. I want to go ahead and put a nice bow right here. So I've got some lavender fondant that I rolled out. And then what I thought I would do is go ahead and texture it. And I have a couple different choices. Let me try this one. It has a little flower design on it. So I want to take this and I want to roll it across. That's cute. Okay, and then what I want to do is just take my pizza cutter, and I'm actually going to use these little daisies on here as a guide. So I can go ahead and do those, and then use this next row. So that's kind of nice having that kind of a design that I can just use that as a guide. And then I'll cut this in half, and these are actually going to be the tails to the bow. We have to put those on first. So I need to gather this up, like so. Take some scissors, cut a V shape at the bottom. And I think I want to go ahead and put a little bit of super pearl, just to give it a little bit of sheen, make it look a little bit more like fabric. Okay, and then I'll take this and place it right here. Alright, so I need a little bit of water, place it right behind that leaf and then pop that up. And then a little bit of water here on the pot. Then we'll do the other side. Scrunch this part up. Cut the V shape at the bottom. You might have to hold it just for a second or two until it sticks. And right here. Okay, so I'm going to roll out the fondant again and do the bow loops. Okay, I'm just cleaning off the edge of my pizza cutter so I get a nice clean cut, because if you have fondant on there, it will stick to this fondant. Okay, now this bow was about 1, 2, 3, 4 daisies wide, so this one needs to actually be a little bit wider for it to look good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll go all the way up to here to the 5th one. So this line right here. And then I'm going to save a little piece here. Take this, flip it over. Let's see. That should be good. Okay, and then take this and then pleat it in the center. Take some plastic wrap and place it inside. Okay, then this is the center, so I take this piece, flip it over, bring both edges in, pick it up, pinch one end, place it over the center, pinch the other end, and tuck it around the back. Okay, then I'll take the super pearl and dust the bow. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and pick this up. Put a little bit of water right down here for it to stick, and a little bit here on these leaves, because this is what it's going to rest up against right here. So the plastic wrap, you need to leave that in until the bow dries. If you want to, you could actually make that bow ahead of time, but I am always short on time, so I actually do it when I do the cake.